right here, the V shape, that is going to be your digastric. You have your mylohyoid. Down here you have your sternohyoid. Over here and here is going to be your masseter. These two thick muscles right here, you got one on each side. This is going to be the sternomastoid. Now your cleidomastoid is going to be lateral to that, so it's going to be over here somewhere. So if she marks something over here, it can't be anything else but the cleidomastoid.
Cleidomastoid,
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah. So you've got four muscles, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You've got the pectoantebrachialis. It's only in cat. Man does not have the pectoantebrachialis. You have the pectoralis major, the pectoralis minor, and the xiphoid humerales. Okay? Now, we're going to close him up over here. We have, we have the latissimus dorsi, which happens to be now all bundled up. But this is the latissimus dorsi. External oblique, the internal oblique. This is the transverse abdominis. You can see the fibers going this way. And then this part right here is the rectus abdominis. Okay, now also over here you have this fan shape, that's the serrated ventralis. Then you have the scalenus medial, and then this is one that she added, and that's the transverse castorum.
Now, is that flap the transverse castorum
This
or
right
the
here.
bottom?
This one right here, and it leads straight into the rectus abdominis.
Okay, so is that little flap there?
Exactly, right here.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
Now, you have the three muscles in the triceps. You have the lateral head of the triceps. You have the medial head of the triceps, and you have the long head of the triceps. Now, you also have the CAS of the deltoid group. You have your clavodeltoid, acromiodeltoid, and then this one right here, that's going to be your spinodeltoid. You also have the CAS of the trapezius group.
Which are flaps.
Right. You have the clavotrapezius, the acromiotrapezius, and the spinotrapezius. Now, up top here, this thin layer right here, this is the rhomboidus capitis. Right underneath the rhomboidus capitis is the splenius. An easy way to remember it is spine. Splenius. Okay, this portion right here is the rhomboidus group. It's actually broken up to major and minor, but for Sharon, all you have to do is know the rhomboidus group, okay? Now, in the scapula, on this side you have the subscapularis, and then you have this tongue thing right here. And that, let me move this out of the way, this tongue thing, that's called the levator scapulae ventralis. Now, on the scapula, you're going to use this bone right here as your landmark. Everything above that is going to be the supraspinatus. Below is going to be the infraspinatus. But now you got to remember, you got two muscles right here. The one closest to the arm is going to be the teres major. The one closer to the back is going to be the teres minor. Okay? Now, what did we miss?
Biceps brachii.
Oh, okay. Your biceps brachii, you have to move the pectoantebrachialis in order to see the biceps brachii. So as you can see, you're moving the pectoantebrachialis out of the way. Here is your biceps brachii. Right there.
And you've got the intercostals.
Oh, yeah. Right here. As you can see the ribs, these are the intercostals. Sharon doesn't make you distinguish the difference between external and internal. All she wants you to know is that those are the intercostals.
Thank you, Penny.
Okie dokie.
Poor kitty.